You are watching Tools Inspector. Did you know that United States drivers need to add these must-have gadgets to their cars, and the last one will completely change their driving experience? Number 1. What if your car could see everything around it at once? The BOTSLAB 3K dash cam delivers a massive 360-degree all-around view, covering front, rear, and interior simultaneously for complete protection. Its 3.18-inch touchscreen makes control effortless, while built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allow real-time tracking and fast video transfers. With voice control and 24/7 parking mode, your car stays monitored even when you're away. The included 128 GB card means you're ready to record right out of the box without extra costs. Number 2. Parking under the sun can slowly destroy your car's interior. This upgraded foldable sunshade is designed specifically for Tesla Model 3 and Y, offering improved UV protection with high-quality reflective fabric. It helps keep your cabin cool, protects dashboards from fading, and reduces heat buildup significantly. The foldable design makes it easy to install and store within seconds. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in comfort and long-term interior protection. Number 3. Tired of messy wiring for all your car accessories? The Auxbeam 6-gang switch panel gives you full control over multiple devices from one sleek interface. It allows you to manage lights, compressors, and other electronics with ease using touch controls and automatic dimming. Built for durability, it works across cars, trucks, boats, and ATVs. The clean installation reduces clutter while boosting functionality. Number 4. Keeping your trunk private and organized has never been easier. This retractable cargo cover is custom-fit for the Mazda CX-50, offering a secure shield that protects your belongings from prying eyes. The durable carbon fiber style material adds a premium look while being tough enough for daily use. It slides smoothly and installs quickly without tools. Whether you're traveling or shopping, it adds both security and style to your vehicle. Number 5. A weak phone mount can be frustrating and unsafe while driving. The Mobnetic Max uses powerful magnets to hold your phone firmly in place, even on rough roads. Its 360-degree rotation and 90-degree tilt give you perfect viewing angles for navigation. Built with durable aluminum, it offers a premium feel and long-lasting performance. Compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, it keeps your phone accessible without distractions. Number 6. What if your car could instantly upgrade to modern connectivity? This Joyroom FM transmitter brings Bluetooth 6.0, deep hi-fi bass sound, and powerful charging all in one device. With a 96W output, including PD60W fast charging, it keeps all your devices powered on the go. The air vent installation ensures easy access and safe placement. It transforms older car systems into a modern entertainment hub without complicated installation. Number 7. Professional-level car detailing doesn't have to be complicated. The Meguiar's G3500 tool attaches to most standard drills, turning them into powerful polishing machines. It helps remove scratches, restore shine, and apply wax evenly across surfaces. Designed for both beginners and experts, it simplifies the detailing process. If you want your car to look showroom new, this tool is a game changer. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about maintaining a flawless finish. Number 8. Still stuck with outdated car audio systems? This Bluetooth adapter upgrades your Audi, Mercedes, or Volkswagen with seamless wireless connectivity. It delivers high-quality aptX HD sound for a premium listening experience. Easy plug-and-play functionality means no complicated setup. You can stream music and take calls effortlessly. It's a simple solution to bring modern tech into older vehicles. It makes every drive more enjoyable with wireless convenience. Number 9. Faded plastic trims can make any car look old and worn out. This plastic restorer brings back the deep, rich look of plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces. Its user-friendly formula applies easily and lasts longer than typical products. The included foam applicator ensures smooth and even coverage. It's one of the quickest ways to refresh your car's appearance without expensive detailing. It instantly enhances your car's overall visual appeal. Number 10. Outdoor adventures demand smart storage solutions. This tailgate table and maul panel for Ford Bronco adds a functional workspace right at the back of your vehicle. Perfect for camping, cooking, or organizing gear. It folds neatly when not in use. Built tough for rugged conditions, it enhances both utility and convenience. It's a must-have upgrade for anyone who loves off-road exploration. It transforms your vehicle into a more practical adventure setup. Number 11. Scraping ice in winter can be slow and exhausting. The Karcher EDI 4 makes it effortless with its rotating disc that quickly removes ice, snow, and frost from your windshield. Being cordless, it offers full mobility and ease of use. The powerful motor handles tough ice without damaging the glass. It's a winter essential that saves both time and effort. It helps you get on the road faster during freezing mornings. Number 12. Achieving a professional polish at home is now easier than ever. The Saker Cordless Polisher comes with multiple speed settings and a full set of attachments for different detailing needs. Its portable design and dual batteries ensure uninterrupted performance. It effectively removes scratches and enhances shine. Whether you're a beginner or enthusiast, it delivers impressive results. It gives your car a smooth, glossy finish with minimal effort. Number 13. Protecting your child from harsh sunlight is essential during drives. These window shades block glare and harmful UV rays while maintaining visibility. The static cling design makes installation quick and hassle-free. Perfect for SUVs and cars, they create a more comfortable environment for passengers. It's a small addition that greatly improves travel comfort for families. It ensures a safer and cooler ride for your little ones. Number 14. Long drives can be boring for passengers, especially kids. This headrest tablet holder keeps devices secure and perfectly positioned for entertainment. It fits a wide range of devices from tablets to gaming consoles. The adjustable design ensures stability even on bumpy roads. It turns the back seat into an enjoyable entertainment zone. It makes road trips more relaxing for both drivers and passengers. Number 15. A sudden tire puncture can ruin your journey in seconds. This tire repair kit allows you to fix punctures quickly without needing professional help. The mushroom plug system ensures a secure and long-lasting seal. Suitable for cars, bikes, and trucks, it's a reliable emergency solution. Keeping this in your car can save you time, money, and stress on the road. It gives you confidence to handle unexpected situations anywhere. Upgrade your drive today with these smart gadgets and take your driving experience to the next level.